Hello, assalamu alaikum. Greetings, my beautiful family. It's a great evening here in Uganda, Africa. Please, we have our recipe. We are going to prepare our kidney pilau. Have you ever tasted kidney pilau? Please, let's prepare our simple recipe for that day. It's a Saturday, very lazy day, but we can't leave you without a recipe. For the new viewers, you are highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Kidney pilau with few ingredients: tomato, onion, there is cloves, green cardamom, cinnamon sticks. We have here mixed pilau masala. Here we have coriander, black pepper. There is also cumin seeds. So let's prepare our dinner. Simple dinner on our channel. Please, we need to learn different types of recipes. Have you ever tried kidney pilau? Let's make our kidney pilau together. Kidney pilau, please. Let's prepare our dinner. Many of us, we are used of beef pilau, chicken pilau, goat's pilau, but today we are coming with kidney pilau. Simple recipes on our channel, please. Okay. So our hidden pilau is here cooking well. Here cooking well, please. Let's learn together. Our dinner is almost ready. Our hidden pilau is almost. Simple recipes on this channel and very delicious recipes. Please try our recipes. We have simple recipes with normal ingredients. We don't buy a lot of spices in our kitchen. We just use our normal spices we have at home. So let's learn together. Let's prepare our dinner. This is hidden pilau. It's almost ready. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Let's cook our dinner. So our hidden pilau is almost. Let's prepare our simple dinner, please. We change our cooking styles with simple ingredients and cheap. This meal is very friendly. The hidden is not expensive. We had our rice here, tomato, green pepper, and few ingredients, please. So let's check our hidden pilau. Wow. You can feel the aroma, please. I wish you were around me and try our recipes. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our dinner is now ready. Our dinner is now ready. We are going to serve our hidden pilau. Please like the video. You drop sweet comments on our channel. Our channel is all about cooking. We do simple recipes on our channel, not complicated ones, with our normal ingredients in our kitchen. So please try our recipes. Watch carefully our videos and try our recipes, please. Let's enjoy our dinner. Let's enjoy our dinner. So thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. Our hidden pilau is here ready. Let's enjoy our dinner, please. Come, we enjoy together. We have simple pilau here for the day. Weekend recipes. Don't get stuck. You can try this recipe for the family. Come, we enjoy together. See you in the next video. We have also some bananas here. We are going to enjoy pilau with few bananas. It's a Swahili version. Let's enjoy our day with kidney pilau. See you in the next video. For the new viewers, please, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, we really appreciate for the love. Please continue supporting your girl so that the channel grows. Let's grab our meal. Bye bye. It's a budget friendly recipe, please. Don't stress yourself buying goat's meat or beef. You can try also this type of recipe for the family. Very easy to prepare. Let's enjoy our dinner. Come, we enjoy it together.